Hello crafty friends, thank you for joining me today on the presentation of my first tag art journal kit. This one is called Friends and Coffee because they're my favorite things, and I'll walk you through what is inside. So you can find 24 tags. They are made with very thick cardstock, and you can find 3 with this particular cut and 3 with the holes. This one, sorry, 6 and 6. These ones are the cardstock. This one is a very thick watercolor paper. Same things with the holes or this particular cut for joining different way, in binding in different way. Those are the binding rings. So you get, it might be different colors that you get. On this kit they are red and green, the binding rings. Those ones for the special cut, and those ones are for just the holes when you want to simple bound with the ring. Go 3 large ones and 3 medium ones. So all come in the kit. I'm gonna put it on the side to show you the rest. There you go. That's it. So you come in, you get a pack of die cut letters. They're usually black and white, but you can choose the colors, just let me know. It comes with some foam sticker and some sentence. You don't get it exactly this way, I cut them already. You probably get it in a page. They're stickers, so you can easily stick directly to your art journal or attach it to a thicker paper and cut it. You get different type of die cuts. This one specific for this, I'll show you in a minute. Those one a mix of stuff, die cut. You get a stamp set, and you get some patterned paper. Should be 10 6 by 6, different varying colors and patterns, of course. Yeah, they're 10, I promise you. There is one that I really like but I can't find. Is the one with the heart somewhere. I'm sure it's there somewhere. There it is. I think it's lovely. So you get 10 of those, and you get 3 stencil. In this particular kit you get the wall, coffee stains, splatters, and cute pose with the cats. I'm gonna make a tag very soon, so I can show you how to use some of them. And on the kit you find a blending mat. One side is white, one side is with little square. You get some watercolor paper if you want to stamp your images in watercolor. It's quite good quality one. You get, oh, that's a letter from my for the back. So you get some cardstock, white, and this particular kit is white and black, and that's it. So I'm gonna put all back in the box, and then we can start to make the first video with the first tag. Okay, all there is a letter. I'll put it back there where it belongs. As I said, the letters, they are usually black and white, but you can ask for any color, just let me know. On the description below I can show you where to find everything. Oh yeah, the special die cut I meant to show you, that's the coffee special. So you can find some mugs. You can layer as well if you want to. You got the classic mug, or you got the takeaway cup, paper cup. It's got the for the handle, for the hot, when it's hot, the handle thing, so you can color different colors. You got a cute little tag, like a tea tag, and you got the word coffee. I think you got a little heart as well somewhere there. That's the word coffee. There you go. You got an idea. And there are quite a few, so you can make quite a few tags or cards if you prefer. I will make one in one of the next video. Oh yeah, it comes with the little lid as well, so you can color differently and layer it. Okay, so I think we got everything. So it's my first card kit, so if any suggestion, any feedback will be highly appreciated. Thank you. Okay, so let's put everything back in the box and we can start with the first video. Hold on. Thank you, and see you in a bit. So I took one of the tags from the kit, a white one, and then I start to some blending with Distress ink. I started with the pink. I use 3 colors. The list you will find it down below in the description. So I started with the pink on one side. I went very deep. I like strong colors, so I started with the pink on one side. I love this pink. I think it's fabulous. And then I just pass to the kind of orange. Don't remember now, but I will tell you the colors later. Yeah, it's better to give it a clean and dry before starting a new blending. There you go. So orange on the other side, quite strong again. I think this combination is one of my favorite. Yellow, strong ochre, orange, yellows and pink. Go. Then in the middle I went for something a bit more light, so I went for a yellow, a lighter yellow, just to blend them together nicely. Of course you can always go as deep as you want, so but when you're satisfied with the colors like I am now, you can stop. Now it's good to give a good clean to your mat. I always keep wipes, wet wipes on the side. They're very handy. There you go. Perfect. Now I decide to do some splashing with some water. It always gives a fantastic effect with the Distress ink. So that's it. And then I think you can already see interacting with the ink and lifting the color. Look at that. It's like a little magic. I love it. And you dab it a bit. That's it. You dry it off and ta-da! I wanted some more splashes, so I want with some white gesso. And I think a bit, even too much there in the center, but it's alright. I don't mind. There you go. A bit more splashing here and there. That's it. This one I let it dry naturally. Yeah, that's it. Now that it's dry, I went with the black thin line pen and just go around like that without worrying too much about go straight or precise. There you go. I want like a fun effect. There you go. Cartoony almost. A couple of times. There you go. It creates some space that I will fill up later. Then I took some washi tape, some colorful one, and a funky black and white spotty one, and position it a couple on the bottom part where it's gonna be the base for my focal point. Very freely, without thinking too much. Then I took the green one and positioned in the same spot, but I didn't really like the effect and look, so I changed my mind and move it up. There you go, like a little accent on the top. Same things with the spotty black and white and grey one. That's it. And then I cut off the excesses with my little sharp scissors. There you go. Now, what I use is the stamp set that come in the kit with this lovely little kitten with his friends. Now, when I cut it off, I didn't cut it off the feet of the duck because they're quite thin. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna print with the StazOn ink directly on the tag, and then with this marker, they are acrylic paint markers, so they got very good covering. So I went with the orange on the feet of the little duck, and that's it. Very quickly, that's it. Job done. Let it dry a little bit, and then I glue with some medium, description below you can find brand and everything, that work as a sealant or glue as well. So I attached the cat and the duck and the chick, little chick actually, on the there you go, on the tag, directly on top. And job done. One is nice at the touch. I took some of one of the sentence that they come on the kit, and I usually they are little stickers, but those ones I attach to a thicker card because I wanted a bit more deepness, so I just attach it there and then I cut it off. There you go, and decide where to position them. Yeah, that's it. And once I decide, I just glue them in. So while I glue them in and fight with my little glue dispenser, I'm just gonna put some music and talk to you in a bit. Bye. Once everything is attached, I'm gonna go back again with my little fine black pen and light some details. So I go around the text just to give it a bit more importance all around like that. As again, not very precisely, very quick, that's it. And then I like stitches, so I had a couple of fox stitches with my pen here and there. There you go. and then I took around the holes as well. There we go. Then I took my white uniposca and give some white details, some reflections, and just to bring everything up a bit. I went over the stitches with uniposca just as a double. I think they look good black and white like that. And two, and that's it. Basically the card is finished. I mean the tag in this case. And I hope you enjoyed and got inspired, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.